In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a LinkedIn post template in Canva. By the end, you'll have a reusable design that keeps your posts consistent, on-brand, and fast to make every time. First, open Canva. Head to canva.com in your browser and sign into your account. You can use the desktop app if you prefer, but the browser version works perfectly for this walkthrough. Next, start a LinkedIn post design. In the search bar at the top, type LinkedIn post, then choose the LinkedIn post format from the results. Selecting this format sets the correct size automatically so your graphics look crisp on the feed without awkward cropping. You'll notice Canva offers a lot of ready-made templates in this category, which can be a great starting point if you don't want to design from scratch. Now, pick a layout. Browse through the templates and click one that fits your brand's tone. Clean, simple layouts usually perform best on LinkedIn because the platform is text-heavy and users scroll quickly. Look for strong hierarchy, clear white space, and good readability. If you're unsure, imagine how it will look on a phone screen and opt for fewer elements with a strong focal point. Time to add your brand elements. Start with text. Add a headline, a subheading, and a body text box using Canva's text tools. Create a clear hierarchy. The headline should be the largest and most impactful, the subheading supports it, and the body text stays short and scannable. Keep alignment consistent, adjust line spacing for readability, and try to place text in the same areas across posts so your audience recognizes your style. Upload your logo next. Go to the Uploads panel, add your logo file, and drag it onto the canvas. Place it consistently, such as in the bottom corner, and leave comfortable padding from the edges. Keep the size modest so it's visible but not distracting. If your background competes with the logo, consider using a subtle shape or a contrasting version of the logo to maintain clarity. Apply your brand colors and fonts. Use your primary palette and stick to one or two brand fonts. Maintain strong contrast between text and background for accessibility, and rely on size and weight to create emphasis rather than using too many colors. Finally, save your template. Rename the design clearly so you can find it later. Canva saves automatically, so keep this as your master file. Each time you create a new post, make a copy, swap in your new text and visuals, and your branding stays perfectly consistent.